Today see you this video go to.
A computer hacker is any skilled computer expert who uses their technical knowledge to overcome a problem. While hacker can refer to any skilled computer programmer, the term has become associated in popular culture with a security hacker, someone who, with their technical knowledge, uses bugs or exploits to break into computer systems.
If you want, watch this video, link in description and I button.
Alternative terms such as cracker were coined in an effort to maintain the distinction between hackers within the legitimate programmer community and those performing computer break-ins. Further terms such as black hat, white hat, and gray hat developed when laws against breaking into computers came into effect to distinguish criminal activities from those activities which were legal. Go this site and check your password.
If you don't make strongest password, your privacy like this.